front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy section. Then scroll all the way down and hit Privacy Controls. Finally, hit Permission Manager and select any feature you wish to manage. Now tap on one of your apps and click on one of those options. When you finished, go back. But you can also select an app and scroll all the way down to select See All Permissions instead. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!